Alright guys, we got most of the cars out here. Nothing crazy. Going for a POV drive. The whip looks insane. We got the other VBs over here. This one's pretty fucking clean. This guy's a fucking faggot. We got Alan over here. Let's go, Bob. It's good, Nick. Go say hi to Mia. This is Ryland's girlfriend. What's good, twin?
Hi, twin.
You're on live. You're on live right now. You're on live. Getting ready for the POV drive. So we got this. We're going out with the STI tonight. We got that. Then we got that. We got this boy. We got a truck pulling in right here. Almost killed me. All right. So we're about to head out to the Vic, get some good shots, some content. We got Alan with us. Got this guy with us. Got the new setup right here. You guys see the POV. Let me know what you guys think down below. It looks pretty sick and clean to me. We got that POV going to the gas station right now. We got the fucking 360 cam. Thank you, Pa. Thank you, Pa. Where'd they go? See, you just don't have to be awkward about this when you're doing this type of stuff. You just gotta act normal. Yeah. I hope you guys like this. The little POV drive. Got the 360 out too. We're at the gas station trying to get some drinks, probably get some food, and then head out. Oh, I see it. He's over here. A little gas station clip walk. You know what I'm saying, guys? I guarantee you're about to find Rylan running around this corner. Look at the monkey.
Got that, and I was like, where's mine? He goes, which one? I was like, well. And then he put it in front of him like this, and I was like, I'm here.
Shit, well, you got me, Pa? Oh, the boys are hitting it. My turn, I guess. Woo-hoo-hoo, baby. Oh my god, I love this fucking car. It just sounds so beautiful. Nothing beats a Subi Rumble, guys. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I know for a fact that nothing beats a Subi Rumble. It's just so unique. Like, ooh. Woohoo! Nothing but a good old blow valve and turbo, baby. Oh, we got the Japanese car over there. We got the Japanese car over here. And then we got the Japanese car over here. Oh, the Japanese car, so good. Oh, so good. Very long time. Love you, long time. you guys are enjoying this POV drive. I'd hold the camera because it was too low. But the car sounds amazing. Hell yeah, bro. Late night POV drive, late night cruise with the guys. Oh, and gals, Mia too. Can't forget about Mia. Look at that, we caught up to him. Just cruising, you know, cruising tonight. Go stupid, go crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm losing my mind, guys. Come on, Mia, go. Go, girl. I ain't stopping at the stop sign. Oh my God, I have to. There's a cop. Oh my God, I got caught lacking by a cop. Hope you guys are liking the POV and the turbo flutter and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Looks like we're about to pull up to the spot here in just a moment and probably get some shots, maybe some rollers too. Oh, the lights are so fucking pretty here. I know you guys are seeing that right now. Gonna get some fire shots right here, actually. It's a good spot. Shout out to the boys and the gals. We're pulling up just now. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah, guys. Check this out. Let me take off the camera real quick. Hell yeah. I know you guys are peeping that right now. Go stupid, go crazy. Oh, guys, look at that. I'm gonna drive up to it. Oh, bro, look at all these lights. It's like Christmas all over again. Hell yeah. I'll have to whip it around right here and get a flick. Oh, bro, this is nice. Hey, yo. Hold up. Wait a minute. This is hard doing one-handed, guys. I'm not used to this shit. Oh, that sounds like my suspension. Oh, I got a TPMS light on. Tire pressures are low. It's cold out. Squeeze me. Oh, guys, I'm about to just rip it right here. Oh, we just pulled up to the spot. We got Rylands. We got my sexy of a beauty just chilling here. Oh my God, it looks so good. Both the cars. Can't forget Alan's red VB. Obviously, I'm gonna walk over there right now. That shit looks so clean. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, the POV look. Yo, Alan, you were doing a lot better. I want to see you and Mia race. Your shit was moving, Alan. I got a clip of it. God damn, it looks so good.
You did it like when we're passing his place. I don't know what gear you in. You kind of did a full.
What's up, twin? What's poppin', twin? What's going on, twin? It's so fucking cold, twin. Oh, your car looks so good though. Dirty as hell. Dirty as hell. Oh, better go get some clips down there. Some shots too. Now you guys hear the STI. Oh my God, it's so cold. Hell yeah, bro. What STI are you guys gonna see like this? On those wheels, baby, with the Brembos. Front end. The BB King right here. With the lights behind it. Bro, come on. Bro, the fucking lights look crazy. It's kind of sick. There's a clip right here. You got the VB. You got the STI. Bro, I feel like RoboCop right now. Put this on.
Ready to go Vic now?
Yeah, I'm done.
I just want to get a quick look of all of us. Whoa. Little New Year's from us.
Don't flip my camera off. Oh, damn, that's fire. Show the clip. Show the cam. Show the cam. Damn, look at that. All right, guys, we're going to do a little stroll around here, too. We got a little bit of Christmas lights, you know, the trees. We got the whips right here. Damn, the STI looks so good. We got Alan's VB right next to it, too. Both looking like sexy monsters. Sexy Japanese ladies. Pause. I'll give you guys a little stroll around here too. It's kind of sick. Got a giant Christmas tree right here. There's a water fountain, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I'm about to go jump in it. The late night shenanigans. I mean, there's no one around. Oh, shit. All right, guys. Someone donate a quarter so I can throw it in. Alright, I'm going back. I'm fucking cold. Dude, that tree is huge. What the frick? Where are all the Christmas presents? Bro, that water fountain's sick. That thing's sick. Yeah. Oh, fuck, it's so cold. What are we doing here? Drugs? Figured. Alright, guys. I'll catch you guys at the next spot here in just a moment. Guys, we got 12 that rolled up on us. It's okay, he's cool though. He's a vibe. He said the cars are sick. Getting up to the next spot right now. It's kind of sketchy, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my god, there's a car! Fuck that, I ain't riding in my gear. I'd rather ride my brakes. Oh, I need headlights on. Oh, that's so much better. I couldn't see shit. I was clenching my booty. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, uphill. Fuck. Oh, that turbo. Oh, fuck me, Alan. Turbo. Yeah, we're getting up to the next spot now. I'll see you guys here in just a second. Oh my god, so shaky. BC coils. I appreciate you, Pa. It's been a hell of a night. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, Pa. Calling it a night. It's a wrap. Twin, it's a wrap.
Night, twin.
Finna go home after a long drive of the night. It's fucking freezing. But yeah, guys, it's a wrap for the night. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and comment down below. And let me know what you guys want me to do next.